Well, you can make just your iced coffee in the morning, and I'll just use coffee from the coffee pot. Yes, it will melt your ice just a little bit, but it's nothing horrible. And it's so much cheaper than going through Starbucks and paying a fortune for an iced coffee. Or a coffee in general. I never got on the Starbucks train. Or other syrups that you can add. This is the vanilla. And then, oh, there's the lid to a pot. And then they also have, I have a salted caramel, which I ended up not liking. So now I'm just gonna do French vanilla. Yum. At some point we're gonna have to Bye. Bye. Oh, Popeyes. But is it worth it? I think so. Could I get a number 8 combo with fries and a sweet tea? Okay, you guys. Whew. That Popeyes is always so busy. And I have to say, that's a little shady. This is all the hype of Popeyes. Their chicken sandwich with pickles and mayo. It's good. Okie dokie, friends. So just like that, today is Wednesday. It got a little crazy. Work has been insane this week. So you turn around and it's Wednesday. And I am working from home in my Post Malone t-shirt. So I'm getting ready to head to work. I have to check my work mail for some items, and then I will be home to finish working. So I need to make it kind of a quick trip, but I wanted to check in with you guys because so I am going to sign off of this little short day in the life of a working mom, half a day of the life of a working mom, and I will be seeing you in my next video, which will be the what meals of the week we had. And I believe I am being joined by Leanna from Feed a Tribe, my friend Rachel from Simply Honest Living, and I believe Sarah from Our Tribe of Many, but I'm not 100% certain, and I hope there are plenty of others who join. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling. Now who is to blame?
And in case you're wondering about the 2-piece I ordered,
be more like them. Over and over.
That was for my
You cry
office
yourself
partners.
to sleep.
Hi, office partners.
And you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?